This is the ZX10R SuperBike by Kawasaki. Kawasaki SuperBike, the only way to describe riding a ZX10R or ZX10RR is you are literally riding a warplane. It's like you're riding a jet. It's like you are riding a jet fighter. You are riding a warplane on the road and the racetrack. Frighteningly fast. You've got massive Brembos up front, so lots of stopping power. Shower, which is a very interesting technology from Kawasaki. It's very, very good. Very good stuff for superbikes. And this is the latest colour scheme for 2025, and it stands out. The ZX10, oh my god, it is sexy, sensational, gorgeous, beautiful, stunning. From every angle, it looks phenomenal. It is a sculpture. It's like an F16. It really is. Slipper clutch, so you can dump the clutch. Just over 200 horsepower with the ram air system. So it is frighteningly fast with all that torque. Brembo, that's interesting. Brembo master cylinder. Electronic automatic steering dampener by Öhlins. TFT display with shift light, as again riding a superbike, but also cruise control on a superbike. So that's pretty useful. And got the rear seat cover. The only negative is when you look back here, yeah, you're thinking aquapurific. Oh yeah, but oh no, where's the rubber bung? You can't remove the baffle. That's the baffle, and you can't take it out. Huh. Shit.